Question number 14, Major Discourse, Group A. It will come from textual or non-textual. Means it can come from textbook lessons or it can be a general question. It will consist of 10 marks. If you attempt this, you can easily fetch 10 marks. In this, it can be possible interview script or narrative or a possible conversation. Now I am explaining what is narrative. Narrative is nothing but we have to write in a paragraph. We will give the hints or ideas. From that, we have to write all that in the paragraph. For example, write a narrative about the sequence of events that made Abel Merryweather take the decision about marriage. You may use the following details. His daughter mistook him to be dead, things stolen by the daughter. Like this, in the form of this, he will give many hints, 5 to 6 hints. Using that hints and using the knowledge of textbook lesson, Abel Merryweather, what he is going to do and what he did, you have to write all that in a paragraph. Okay. One day, Mrs. Slater felt that her father, Abel Merryweather, had died. Slater sent a telegram to the Jordans about the death of Abel. You can write. Okay, you are able to write all this when only you know the lesson thoroughly. So please read the textbook thoroughly and please read all the lessons. He may give from any lesson. So it should be, these lines should be 15 to 20 lines in the exam. Please write 15 to 20 lines in the exam, okay students, so that you can get 10 marks in this section. Okay, this is the format of narrative. Okay, don't panic. What is the narrative, what we have to write? It's just that we have to use the hints and we have to use the knowledge of the lesson from the textbook, and then we have to write in a paragraph 15 to 20 lines. That's it. Okay, then only you will be able to get 10 marks. It can be from textbook or from non-textual. Means it can be from in general also. So nothing, don't panic. He will give all the hints. From that hints only you need to write the paragraph 15 to 20 lines. Okay.